Mayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mitch and for today, we will be making chiffon cake. Okay? For the ingredients, I have here cake flour, egg yolk, vegetable oil, water, baking powder, salt, granulated white sugar, and my pandan flavor. For the meringue, I have here egg whites, cream of tartar, and granulated white sugar. Let's start. Okay, in your big bowl, sift first your dry ingredients. Your cake flour, baking powder, and your salt. Once your mixture is smooth, set aside. Okay? And then, let's go to our meringue. And then, in your electric mixer, use whisk attachment. Mix in your egg white and your cream of tartar. Your cream of tartar, it will make your egg white more stable. Okay? Kung wala kayong cream of tartar, pwede lemon or calamansi. Wait na mag soft bake bago nyo ilagay si granulated white sugar. Okay, once frothy or soft thick na, slowly add your granulated sugar. And then you whip this one until stiff. Yan, whip this one just until stiff. Okay, how to know if it's stiff? Yan. Kailangan stiff and then glossy. Okay? Mas maganda if you're using very smooth na sugar or very maliit na granules. The smaller the sugar, the better the meringue. Like that. Okay? Yan. So, you mix this one just until stiff siya. Stiff but not dry ha. Kailangan glossy. Okay? Tapos, get ka konti. Mix mo muna using your hand whisk. Bago mo fold lahat. Okay? Bago mo i-fold ang rest ng meringue. And then, you do cut and fold. Cut, fold. And then, transfer into 9 by 4 inch baking pan. Or, if you want, you can use tube pan. And then, bake this one around 20 minutes in 350 degrees Fahrenheit na init. Okay. Then, bake. Yan, it's baked already. My chiffon cake. So, this is actually pandan flavor. If you want ibang flavor, you can do ube, mango, and strawberry. It's up to you. We have different kinds of flavor. You can go to Sweet House Baking Supply sa flavoring na gusto nyo. Okay?